Ooh. Yep, this is one very water-resistant LED light. How resistant? Rainstorm-proof IP65 resistant. Also, this is the brightest 1x1 LED light ever, 22,000 lux, which I'm using it right now to combat the backlighting, the sun. If I don't use the lights, then if I turn it off, it would be like this. But at the moment, I'm just using 70% of the power. If I turn it to 100%, brighter than the sun, just with one, oh, this is really bright. Just one 1x1 LED light that powered by 2 V-mount batteries. So this video is sponsored by Rotolight to show you this Anova 3 Pro. Well, last time it was 2018, the last photo killer ever. I have been to Rotolight booth and see the Anova Pro 2, the last version. But this time, Anova Pro 3, along with the EOS 2 and Nero 3, all of them RGBWW, and all of them with Wi-Fi control, full color touchscreen at the back. Anova have been used by BBC, ITV, Netflix, Amazon Studio, and then in the Ghostbuster Afterlife as well. So now this is a new one, even bigger, even better one. It's bloody bright. This is just 50%. So let me show you 100%. This is 100%. But just like the EOS 2 before, it got 2 really huge solid handle. So it really is much more easier to carry this around. And then when you adjust this, it's easier to adjust this as well. Talking about this, you can see this yoke, it only just got one lock at one side, because usually you got 2. You have to release this and release that, and after you adjust, you have to tie 2 sides. You can see there's a big fan here. Yesterday, I have shot a video with Kai using this light. Under the sun, I must have using the power from around 50 to 70%. 1 or 2 hours, it never turns on. Yesterday, it was like 20 to 23 degrees Celsius because it got a really huge heat sink. Actually, the heat sink is the size of the light. It's just this controller bit by itself is sealed, and then the light is sealed, and then in between, it's just air. It's just a really big gap with a fan, with a waterproof fan that keeps blowing to the heatsink if it needs the fan. Now you see the screen here is exactly the same as the EOS 2 and Nero 3 before. Of course, it's RGBWW. Just like before, you can change the color and you can change the saturation as well. It got digital gel. You can save your preset, and also it includes a lot of preset from professional photographer, professional filmmaker. They are the master of light of Rotolight. These are the digital gel that JHX like to use, and this also supports flash for photography. So it supports a lot of wireless trigger. It has special effect actually pioneered by Rotolight. Any other lights on the market that have built-in After Effects, not built-in effect, are all of them just copy from Rotolight. Something new, it got a page 2. Magic Eye. What's this? It actually got a sensor in front of this light. When you click sample, it shut off the lights, sample the ambient light, and then match the ambient light with it. So you can have it match the color temperature, or you can match the color as well. I think I've mentioned that it only takes 2 V-mount battery. This is much more easier. It still supports AC power. Of course, you can attach it here, and there's loads of connector here. Especially, it supports DMX, and internally, it's already support wireless DMX. A lot of other lights, it support wireless DMX, but you have to use an adapter. This time also have this smart softbox for this light. And just like that, you can control the diffusion electronically and remotely as well. You can control it with the app, you can control it with the wireless DMX. By the way, this shot I showed it before, I have added some smoke to have this effect, have this mood. You usually need a smoke machine the size of a shoebox and it's kind of difficult to use, but I just use this. This is called Smoke Ninja. I like the name of it, Smoke Ninja. This is actually from Hong Kong. It was from a successful Kickstarter project as well. And now Rotolight bring it to UK. They distribute it in UK, and you can see how easy it is to carry around, and it's much more easier to use because it has already preset different effects: fog, dry eyes, or steam. And it's wireless because it has a rechargeable battery inside. You use USB-C to charge it. Got a remote control to make more creative use of this. This is a very great product. I never imagined I can have a smoke machine this small. So this is Rotolight Anova 3 Pro. I have been using Rotolight for years. Love that a lot, and I like that they insist everything is made in UK. So check it out. It is now on Kickstarter. Check out all the details and see if you like to get one.